Guys, today's video I will explain to you how to place over 1.5 goals bet, over 2.5, and even over 3.5 to over 4.5 goals bet. Very simple and easy. If you are first time or you are on this channel, please make sure you join my Telegram group for free also, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't understand anything, then you leave your comment, then I'll come to your end to help. If you don't understand anything, you can write it there. I will just reply you as soon as possible. All the thing that we teach here is not guaranteeing that you win bet every day, but it will reduce your chance of losing bet. We don't have any format that is 100% that you can use to win bet every day. So betting is a game that is not predictable, so you can reduce the chance of losing your bet, but we cannot predict that you win bet every day. So sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. So it's not 100% that all the things that we teach here guarantees that you win bet always. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, but it will reduce your chance of losing bet. So let's move on to today's video. So I have my SofaScore app here. You can get it from Play Store. So then let's move on to my favorite teams. We are dealing with teams that score more goals. So if you want to place over goals, let me say goals bet, you can choose this team that I'm coming to explain to you. So I have so many teams here, but I will not choose all the teams. Some of the teams, they don't score more goals. So if you are going for goals bet, it's easy to identify certain things before you go. Something like team that concede more goals, and team that score more goals, and team that's playing attacking games. So when you are choose the team that score more goals or concede more goals. So when they are playing, they will give you more goals. Some of the team, they defend a lot. So when they are defending, it's not likely that goals will come into the game. And some of the teams too, they possess the ball. They will pass the ball in the center area for a very long time. Something like Barcelona, and some of the teams, they like possessing the game, like attacking the game, like Bayern Munich and Man City and Real Madrid. So these teams, when they are playing, they speed the game very fast, and when they are playing, it's likely that goals will appear in the game. So these are some of the teams that I'm coming to explain. Some of the teams today are on good form. So when you select them, you are free to go. My first team I'll pick is the Al-Hilal. So Al-Hilal is one of the teams that are very, very, very good when they are playing. So these are their performance this season. As you can see, they will score goals. Any match that they have played, they score. Either they will give you 1 goal or 2 goals. So then let's go and check their goals per game. So this is their statistics. Then we come to attacking. You can see that goal per game is 2.5, 2.6 over 2.6. So anytime they are playing in a game, it's likely that they can score almost 3 goals in a game. So at least if they were not able to score 3 goals, they can give you 2 or 1 goal in the game. So if the other team were able to score a goal to it, you can get up to over 2.5. And it's true, what they're saying is true. So here they score 3-2, 3-0, 2-1, 1-1, 3-2, 3-1, 3-0, 1-1, 4-1, 2-0, 5-4, 3-1, 3-0, 2-1. You can see. So they produce a lot of goals. So when you are going for bet games like this, you can go for goals. When they are playing an away game, you can go for goals, because they score a lot of goals. Anytime they are playing, they will give you goals. So these are some of the teams that you need to pick when you are playing for goals bets, like over 1.5, over 2.5. They are very, very good. You can just pick them, then you are free to go. So when they are playing, you just go. What you do is just check the team that they are playing with. So their next match will be, okay, let me say this is their next match. So then you compare the two, then you go to their matches. So 16 win for Al-Hilal and 1 win for Al-Hilal. So then you scroll down to their previous match that the two teams have played. So their last game that they played, they scored 3-1 against Al-Hilal. Then the next match is 2-1, 4-1, 2-0, 2-0, 3-1, 4-1. So this game is likely that over 2.5 will happen in this game, or over 1.5 or what, or both teams to score. So they will give you the goal. So if you're afraid to go for straight win, you can just go for over 1.5, over 2.5 for both teams, or home team to score over 1.5, or home team to score over 0.5. It's just simple and what, easy. Then the next team will be this team I've explained. They're also good. They are from the same Saudi Arabia. They score a lot of goals. As you can see, they are very, very good and they are on form. So you can go for either over 0.5 for Etihad or over 1.5 for this team. You can also check their stats, goal per match that they score. They score goals per match, 2.5 goals per match. So if they are playing, you can just go for over 0.5. If they are playing home, you can just give them over 0.5 or over 1.5 for only Al-Hilal. If they are going for away, you can just give them over 0.5 for away, or both teams to score, or over 2.5 for both teams, over 1.5 for both teams. Then it's likely that it will happen. And they are very, very good. They are very good. They score a lot of goals. They will give you the goals. So it's easy for you to choose that team. Then my next game will be, let me say, I normally choose Arsenal, but right now, okay, Arsenal they are good, so they can also give you the goals. Arsenal, they can also give you the goals. They always give you the goals, as you can see. So you can go for away when they are playing home. You can give them the goals. When they are playing away too, you can give them either over 1.5 or over 0.5 for Arsenal anytime they are playing. It's likely that anytime they are playing, they will score goal. It's not 100% that all the matches they will score, but probably that they will score is even 95% that Arsenal will score anytime they are playing against any team. So, and you can testify and see that they are also scoring goals anytime they are playing. So if you are going for goals about Arsenal, you can just check goal per match is 2.5. It's not every day that they will score goal, but probably that Arsenal will score goals is very, very high. Then we have a lot of teams. You have a lot of teams like Leverkusen too. They will give you goals anytime they are playing. You can see you can give them over 0.5, either home or away, or you can go for over 1.5 for both teams. Then you are free to go. They will give you the goals. We have so many teams. You have so many. I have so many teams, but one team that I like about them when they are playing is Club Bridge. Club Bridge, they are very, very good in goal scoring. Very, very, very good in goal scoring. As you can see, just check and see. So here 4-3, 2-2, 2-0, 2-1, 2-1, 3-1, 4-1, 1-1. It's almost every game that they play, they will score goal. So either you give them over 0.5, either home or away, or you can just say over 1.5 for both teams, 2.5 for both teams. They will deliver for you. They are very, very, very good in goal scoring. Then you can check their statistics per goal per match that they score 2.2. This team is very, very good. So anytime I'm playing for goals, I want to go for goals, then I'll just choose them. Then the next one will be Bordeaux. There's no way like there. As we already know, they score goals like magic. So here, when you are betting on no way, like you don't need to go for win. You just go for goals over 2.5, over 2.5, 1.5, either the home team or the away team or both. As you can see, 2-1, 5-2, 3-2, 2-2. No way is always goals, always for goals. So Bordeaux too produce a lot of goals anytime they are playing. So if you want to go for goals, not all the teams that they score goals, not all the teams there. So I've done a selection. That's why I'm just scrolling up and down for teams that score more goals. Then I have one team over here. Galatasaray. Galatasaray too is good in goals scoring. In goal scoring, they are very, very good. Either they are playing home or away. You just just give them over 0.5 if they are playing home or away, or you can go for over 2.5 or other for both teams. As you can also see here, anytime they are playing against any team, they will score goal. Here you can see 5-1, 4-3, 2-2, 3-2, all the matches, or both teams to score. They score a lot of goals. So when you are placing for over 1.5, over 2.5, over 3.5 goals, you just need small research, then you are free to go. Not all the teams that they will give you the goals like I'm explaining to you. Inter Milan, they are also good. Inter Milan, they are also bad. Sometimes the goal that they score is almost 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. It's not, they score a lot of goals, but sometimes they are good, but I don't prefer them like the others that one I have explained to you anytime they are playing. Then the next one is in this team. This team in Bulgaria, like they are very, very good in goal scoring. Logareth, they score a lot of goals. Score a lot of goals. So you can also bet on them anytime you are placing goals bet. Like this one, as you can see, 4-2, 3-2, 2-2, 3-4, 2. They score a lot of 0-0, 2-2, 3-1. They score a lot of hard goals. Because the league that they are playing, they are masters over there. So they score them like anytime they want. So you can just go for over 1.5 or over 2.5 for both teams. That is how the goals bet what works. So not all the teams, but you can choose or you can do small research about your team, then you place bet on them and you are free to what to go. Then we have Paris Saint-Germain right now. They score a lot of goals. You can also check it yourself. As you can see, they score a lot of goals, so you can also choose them. Rangers too. They can give you the goals, but not so much as compared to other teams that I've explained to you. So these are some of the things that you can use to bet every day. Not always win or double chance. You can use other format. You can combine the straight win plus double chance, then you choose goals. Nowadays, the teams are not performing, like they are not winning like we expected them to win. So you can just change your options into goals. So you can go for over 1.5, over 2.5, then you are free to go. Or both teams to score, then you are free to go. But you need to choose teams that are very good in goals scoring. Either they concede more goals or they score more goals, then you are free to go. So you need to balance your predictions, not always straight win, double chance and others. Sometimes we need to adjust our way of betting. If not, we always lose one placing bet. All the thing that we taught here is not 100% that you win bet all the time, but it guarantees or reduce our chances of losing bet. That's why we always teach our people how to bet and other things. So this team too is also very good. They are in Switzerland. That's Savetti. They score goals. If you want both teams to score, they are fantastic in both teams to score. As you can see over here, they are also good in goal scoring, 7 and others. So you need to do research. Bet is a business. So when you are trying, if you want to invest in it, you need to do more research. The African team, they're also good in goal scoring. As you can see, 4-3-2-2-3. They score anytime they are playing. They can give you over 1.5 for all their games. So these are my teams that I always have in mind when I'm playing for goal scoring, like over goals game. That's what I pick them to bet on them. You can also have your teams. Maybe you have a lot of teams around, they score more goals. You have other leagues like Germany league, England championship, they score more goals. Norway league, we have so many leagues that they score a lot of goals there. So when you are going for goals, you are not afraid. And women's league too, they score a lot of goals over there. But the small one I have here. So if you have your own too, you can add to what I have here, then you balance things, then you bet on them. I hope you enjoyed this video and you like it. If you don't understand anything, you can leave a comment. I will come and answer you. Join my Telegram group too for free odds every day. We post odds over there every day, so you can join that one too for us. And when you are betting too, make sure you bet responsibly. Bet smarter, not harder. That's the motivation speaker have for you all the time. Then you need to learn and don't bet more teams. The more you bet teams, it's likely that you lose. So you can choose more teams, then you bet on them, then you win something, then you place another bet. That will be the best way for you to win bet every day. If you have anything, you can say. Thank you for watching.